Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed definition of one function and one example and related to some problems also completed. Same concept, I am going to discuss one more problem. See these students, problem number I think 4, 3 or 4. I think this is 4 only, fourth one. Read the question, what they are given. The number of one functions that can be defined from A to B is 5040. This is a question. So, by observing the question, number of elements in A set, how many elements are there? 4, 8, 12, 16. There are only 4 elements. But we need to find n of b. N of b is a question mark. But we know the formula, number of one functions. Number of one functions. What is the formula, students? Is n of b, p, n of a. This is. That value already given. How much? 5040. N of b means we don't know. We need to find. Let n of b is equal to some n. np4 that is equal to 5040. np4 means we can write in short form n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. How I am writing means n we can write decreasing 4 times. Here 4 is there, no? That's why. 4 times we need to decrease. Decreasing means what? Subtracting 1 only. That value should be 5040. These are 4 consecutive numbers. So do one thing, take the LCM 5040. 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 0. Again with 2. 2 6 are 2 3s are 0. Again with 2. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 5. Next 5 table. 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are. Okay. Next we can take 3 table. 3. 3 2s are 3 1s. Next 3 7s are. Here see, these are 4 consecutive numbers. In place of n, take for suppose 10. In place of n, take 10. Then what we get? 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. See here. These are consecutive numbers, but decreasing order. So 5040 we can write same like. See these two. 5 into 2, we can write 10. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2 into 2, this is 8. Next here 7 extra, 7. 4 numbers we got now. 5040 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Now compare both by comparing what is the n value? 10. If you are taken n is equal to 10, you will get 10, 9, 8, 7 only. Finally, what is n of b, students? N of b, I am taken n only now here. That value should be 10. Which option correct? Fourth option. What is many one function? Many one function means if it is not 1, 1, that is many one. If it is not 1, 1, that is many one. What is 1, 1? Already you know that x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. X1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to x2, f of x2. For every x1, x2 in the domain, then f is 1, 1. This condition is satisfied means we will say that that is 1. Otherwise, it is many one. Are you understood, students? Now, we are going to discuss one problem. One problem. 1, 1 opposite many one. Onto opposite into. Still now we didn't discuss onto. Okay. See here. Question. What they are given? Number of possible many to one functions from A to B. So first we need to identify n of A. How many elements are there here? N of A only 2 elements. N of B, how many? 5 elements. Here they are asking number of many one functions. Many one functions. How to find? In total functions, subtract 1, 1. Then we get many one is equal to total number of functions. Number of functions minus number of 1, 1 functions. In total functions, I am going to subtract 1, 1 functions. Then we get many one functions. What is the formula of number of 1, 1 functions? It's a number of functions. This is the formula, n of b whole power n of a minus number of 1, 1 functions formula, n of b, p, n of a. And already we know the values. N of b is 5, n of a is 5 square minus 5p2. 5 square means 25 minus here 5 we can write decreasing 2 times. That means 5 decrease is 4. Okay. Now 25 minus 5 into 4, 20. 25 minus 20, that is equal to 5. So number of many one functions. How many possible, students? Only 5. Now graphically, we can say this is horizontal line test. If any straight line parallel to x-axis, draw the parallel to x-axis, wherever curve is there, intersects the graph of the function at most 1 point, maximum 1 point, then the function is 1, 1. Otherwise, it is many one. Okay. So I will draw one diagram. Observe here. This is coordinate system. Coordinate system. So I am going to draw one curve. This is a curve. This is parabola. And draw the one line parallel to x-axis. I am going to draw like this. See, this is x-axis, origin, this is y-axis. Okay. So how many places it is intersect? 2 places. At most one point it is intersect means we will say 1. So the curve is, the line is intersect the curve 2 places. This is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1 means what? Many 1. Opposite, no? Many 1. Okay. So I will draw one more graph. This is coordinate system, x-axis. This is y-axis. If the curve strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, any one of the curve you can take. Draw the line parallel to x-axis. Now the line is intersecting maximum at one point only. Maximum 1 point only. So in this case, we will say that the curve is 1, 1. This is 1, 1. Students, are you understood? Here clearly given, intersect the graph of the function at least 2 points means it is many 1. All even functions are many 1 only. If the function is continuous, continuous means without breaking, entirely, strictly increasing or decreasing. This is strictly increasing curve. If you want to strictly decreasing means this is a curve. It is going to decrease like this. Okay. So only at one point the horizontal line is intersect. Either increasing or decreasing curve, it is always 1, 1 only. Otherwise, we will say many 1. All even functions are many 1 only. All periodic functions are many 1 only. So what is a periodic function? I will discuss later. Don't worry. I think all of you understood now. Onto function. What is onto function means? F maps A to B is called an onto or surjection. If every element of B has at least one pre-image in A, every element in the codomain has at least one pre-image in the domain A is called onto function. Onto another name is surjection. Okay, or another definition is that F maps A to B is onto, then the range of F is equal to codomain of F. That is, F of A is equal to F of B. The range of F is equal to codomain of F. Now, here observe that I will explain one example. In A set, for suppose I am taken 1, 2, 3 elements. Next in B set, I am going to take A, B, C, D. 4 elements I am taking. Next, draw the Venn diagram or first write the function F maps A to B. So here F 1 comma A, next 2 comma B, next 3 comma C. So here we need to take only 3 elements in D because number of elements in B set is less than or equal to number of elements in A set. We can't take in B set more elements. For suppose observe this example. Tell me, draw the Venn diagrams. This is A set. This is B set. So observe here, we need to write the elements 1, 2, 3. Here A, B, C. Now mappings, what they are given, 1 to A, 2 to B, 3 to C. See here, every element in the codomain, this is the codomain. Every element in the codomain has pre-image in the domain A. So then F maps A to B is 1 function. Every element in the B set have pre-image. Okay, or otherwise we can find the range of F. What is range? Range is equal to here F of 1, F of 2, F of 3. This is what is F of 1 value, students? F of 1 is associated with A. So that means F of 1 is A, F of 2 is B, F of 3 is C. That means observe this. This is equal to B set or not. So finally, range of F is equal to codomain B. So that means we can write alternative method. F of A is equal to B. Range is equal to codomain means we will say that is onto function. So take another example. A is equal to 1, 2. Only two elements I am taking. In the B set, I am going to take X, Y, Z. Three elements I am taking. Okay. Now take the one function. So I am taking G. G is the one function. That is 1 comma Y and 2 comma X. This is the function. Now draw the Venn diagrams. Then you will understand. 1, 2. This is A set. And next B set. X, Y, Z. Now draw the mappings. 1 to Y. This is 2 to X. This is. See here. This is function or not? It is 1, 1. No, it is not 1 because yes, it is 1, 1. It is 1, 1. Every different elements of A have different images in B. This is 1, 1. This is onto or not? What is onto definition? Every element in the codomain has at least one pre-image. See here, Z not having any image, pre-image. Z not having pre-image. That's why this function is not onto. G maps A to B is not onto. Yes or no? Why it is not onto? Z not having pre-image in domain A. That's why this is not a onto function. Students, are you understood now? Two examples I am given. This is first example. This is second example. I think all of you understood now. So by observing this, in second example, in B set having more number of elements. That's why. And range also find yourself. See, what is the range here? Range. Range is equal to G of 1, comma, G of 2. What is G of 1 value, students? G of 1 is Y, G of 2 is X. See, we are getting Y comma X. it is not equal to codomain or not. In the codomain, what is there? This is codomain x, y, z. So here range is not equal to codomain. In this case also we can say that the given function is not onto. Okay, next. What is the condition? See here. The condition for a function f maps a to b, a surjection from a to b is n of a is greater than or equal to n of b. Then only onto condition exists. Okay, no problem. If, see here, n of a having n elements, n of b having exactly 2 elements, then the number of onto functions from a to b, this is shortcut formula, 2 power n minus 2. N of b having exactly 2 elements, but n of a we can expect more than 2. Then the shortcut formula is 2 power n minus 2. For suppose n of a having r elements, n of b having n elements, that means more than 2. Exactly 2 are there means this is the formula. More than 2, then how to write the formula? This is. Then the number of surjections from a to b is here n power r minus nc1 into n minus 1 whole power r plus nc2 into n minus 2 whole power r minus nc3 into n minus 3 whole power r plus at the last term minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into nc n minus 1. This is the formula. So this formula we can write another form also, that is n of b c0 into n of b whole power n of a minus n of b c1 into n of b minus 1 whole power n of a plus, I am writing here, n of b c2 n of b minus 2 whole power n of a minus and so on. This is. Here observe that one formula is there, that is in the form of like this NCR. NCR. What is the NCR formula? See, NCR means this is the formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is one chapter in second year. C means combination. One particular chapter is there. Here we are using just formula. Okay. NC0, NCN, that value should be 1. NC1, that is equal to NCN minus 1, that value should be n. Or suppose 9C3, how to write? 9 we can write decreasing 3 times, 9 into 8 into 7 divided by denominator, we can write 1, 2, 3. This is a procedure. Okay, we will discuss later, no problem, in second year. Just whatever I am written formulas, those copy and by heart the formula. Okay, students. Next, here see, n of a number of elements in A set is less than number of elements in B set. If the number of elements in B set is more comparatively A, at that time number of onto functions is 0. So what is the condition? N of A is greater than or equal to n of B. This condition exists means number of onto functions. Otherwise, 0. This is fifth question. If A is equal to 1, 8, 11, 14, 25, then the condition to define a surjection from A to B. Surjection from A to B. So, what is surjection? These conditions must be satisfied. Otherwise, it is not a surjection. Okay. See, how many elements are there in A set? There are 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. But what is the condition? N of A is less than or equal to N of B means it is exist. In B set, if less than 5 elements are there means then surjection exists. Okay, surjection exists. Now finally, what is the answer? N of B set less than or equal to 5 elements means surjection will be exist. Which option correct, students? So third option correct. This is sixth problem. And see the seventh problem. Seventh problem. Here what I am written condition. This is wrong. Here I am written condition now. This is wrong. N of A should be greater than or equal to N of B. Okay. Now see the seventh question. What is N of A? N of A is only 4 elements. N of B, 6 elements. By observing this, N of A, 4 is less than 6 or not? N of A is less than N of B. If these condition exist, what is number of onto functions? See here. N of A is less than N of B. Number of onto functions. What? 0. So what is the correct answer here? Third option. Because number of elements in A set and number of elements in B set. In B set, more number of elements are there. In this case, onto functions not possible. Okay. Number of onto functions here, 0. Number of onto functions, 0. This is the answer. Okay. Right. I am going to discuss another problem. Another problem. See this eighth one. This is eighth one I am taking. If n greater than or equal to 2, the number of surjections that can be defined from 1 to n onto 1 comma 2. So by observing the question right here, how many number of elements are there in A set? There are n elements. But n of B, how many elements are there? Exactly 2 elements. N of B having exactly 2 elements means, what is the formula? Number of onto functions. Onto functions. What is the formula, students? This is 2 power n of A minus 2. N of A means what? N. 2 power n minus 2. This is the answer. In N of B having exactly 2 elements means we can use this formula. Otherwise we can't use. Okay. So correct answer is fourth option. This is ninth question. N of A, how many elements are there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 5. N of B, only 3 elements are there. N of B having exactly 2 elements means this is the formula. So no. Here more than 2. So we can use formula. Number of onto functions. Number of onto functions from A to B is, what is the formula, students? Actually, this is N of B C0 N of B whole power, that means minus 0 whole power N of A minus N of B C1 N of B minus 1 whole power N of A plus N of B C2 N of B minus 2 whole power N of A minus N of B C3 into N of B minus 3 whole power N of A. This is the formula. Those values substitute here, you will get answer. Okay.